Hi, today we are making delicious amazing jollof rice, guys. Do you want to know how I make this food? Then let's go. Before then, if today is the first time coming across this channel, guys, please do me well and hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to comment, like, and share the video. Love you all. So here we go. Here is the meat stock. I pour it inside the pot. So I add water to it. So this is the process of cooking this fried rice, guys. So I add curry inside. I also put salt inside and one no Maggi inside. I break it inside, guys, as you can see on this video. So this is the blended pepper I blend with onions. So I put them inside. Cover it to cook. So let's go ahead and take the rice you want to use. So here are the rice you want to use to make this amazing jollof rice. I put some salt and I turn hot water inside to wash it. You can see it. I'm turning it so that I will cover it for a little minute to rest. So it's time for me to wash it now, as you can see. So it's good to use hot water to wash your rice and salt so that it will be okay if you want to cook it. So I'm washing it. You know now, as an African woman, you must use hand to wash it. So here is the water is boiled. So I want to put the rice inside. So after pouring the rice inside, you have to turn it around. Make sure you turn it very well so that they will marry themselves very well and cover it to cook. So let's go ahead and fry the veggies, guys. So I put butter inside. So after the butter melt, I will go in with onions, as you can see on this video. So it's time to put the veggies. This is the carrot. I pour it inside, as you can see. So I will give it a little minute before adding the other veggies. So this is a bell pepper. I pour it inside. I will also pour the green beans. Yes, this is called green beans. So I pour everything inside. I will also pour the meat inside, the one I use. So this is gizzard. So I pour everything inside, mix it together, mix it very well so that they will marry themselves very well. If you taste this food, then it's so yummy. So here is the nog Maggi. I put nog Maggi inside. After putting nog, I also put ginger powder. That is ginger powder I'm adding inside. After ginger powder, this is curry. I add curry inside. After adding curry, I add a little bit of salt inside, as you can see on this video. Guys, watch this video to the end. Please do me well by sharing this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, guys. So I turn it, cover it to steam. So here is the rice. Let's go ahead and check the rice. So we have to turn it so that it will not burn under. So after turning it, cover it back to cook. So want to check what we have on fire here. Look at the veggies, it's getting ready. So we have to turn it again. We are turning it, guys. Everything is yummy. So we cover it back. So to check the rice again. So we have to check the rice if it's done. So we have to turn it because of the pot so that it will not too much burn. English. So guys, we have to cover it back, and those people that is doing voiceover, you guys are trying. I don't even know how to do it, but I'm trying my best. So we add in the butter, guys. So here we want to check it again. This is the last process of this frying of veggies. So it's ready, guys. The veggies is ready. Let's go ahead and check the rice. The rice is also ready, as you can see on this video. The rice is ready, guys. So I use curry to cook my fried rice. I did not use a green color here. So I don't like to use green color. So I like to use curry. But everything is sinyomi. The curry I use, everything is sinyomi. I don't know why the color here is changed, but the color is normal color of fried rice, guys. You can see it, see the rice now. So we want to turn it and added the veggies. Just watch the video to the end to see what your sister cook here. So yummy and delicious. So we remove some inside. So we have to remove some inside so that the veggies can enter. We can mix it very well. So it's time for us to pour the veggies inside. So I put half and leave half for the other one, as you can see. So I will be using the two pots to mix it together. After mixing it, I will add it all together in one pot. It's miserable, guys. Who dey zuzu? Who dey run now? Na only 5 material dey run am now. Look at food. Food is yummy. Can you cook? Abeg come and learn how to cook, eh? Come and learn how to cook for your lovely family if you cannot cook. This channel is your goal. Nothing wey you go find for this channel wey you no go see, guys. How to cook ogbono soup, how to cook egusi soup, how to cook fried rice, how to cook jollof rice, name it, they are all here. Guys, do me well and hit the subscribe button for more notification, guys. You can see your sister. Look at food now. Food is ready now. It is yummy. So it's time for me to add all together and mix it together, as you can see on this video. So I'm mixing everything together. See rice, see food. Food is giving. Food is giving. So we are going to chop this one with the chicken with pepper. Guys, come and join me and enjoy. Come and enjoy yourself on this channel. This channel is your goal, guys. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button and join my team. You can see food now. Guys, share this video. Share. Please comment on my video. Support your sister channel. We are still turning the rice, eh? I said, let's turn the rice. Let's turn it. Let's mix it very well so that they can marry themselves very well. You can see, guys.